Hi, myself Sushant Das, and I am founder director here at Eduonix, and we have been building Eduonix since 2013, helping millions of students upgrade their skills, build a better career for themselves, get better jobs, and be all in all a better version of themselves. So it was the year 2010, and we were trying to build some apps for some of our clients for mobile phones. At that point of time, the smartphones were just coming into the market, and there were not many people with those skills. And when we even the experienced people find it hard building apps at that point of time. So we were thinking how do we kind of scale that challenge. So I kind of built some training material, including some learning videos, some assessments, and some practical apps which helped people quickly upgrade their skills, and it was kind of loved by everyone. So we thought, why not share it with everyone else, and that's how the idea of Radionics came, and we thought of building a platform where we can share all this content built by powerful and working professionals who can come and share their skills, who can come and share their experiences, and that's how it kind of all started. Well, I think the education system in most of the universities and colleges focuses too much on rote learning and focused on skills which are kind of no longer required in the market. We came in at a place where we feel like we can help people, even working professionals, upgrade their skills at a rapid pace, help them be market ready, build them great skills at a very high pace, and all our content, whether that is our assessment system, our video content, our ebooks, anything that we are producing is kind of helping people do that, just be market ready. Well, systems like ChatGPT do provide fairly unique challenges. They are taking over things which can be digitized, which a machine can do better than humans. So I think it's a war which humans can't win from that perspective, and we should not even try that. Rather, human programmers, we should focus on novelty, creativity, things which where our code will be different than what a chat GPT, which is just a generative AI based on the past knowledge, can create. So rather than focusing on what chat GPT can do and the jobs that is going to take away, we should focus on things that it can't do, and rather kind of focus on building your skills on those areas. And believe me, no AI will be able to take away those things from a human programmer. So I think we should focus at the right place, and it's an amazing time to be alive. So just focus on things that are important rather than worrying about an AI system that is kind of coming to take some automated tasks. Well, 90s were the time when the internet kind of really started coming into our rooms. HTML was in vogue then. A lot of HTML websites, simple websites came into picture, and a lot of web developers came into kind of started developing very unique solutions. I still remember a lot of simple messenger solutions that came in, and older solutions which were focused more on mainframe were kind of started losing its relevance. And since then it kind of has been a modularized growth, where if we can see with the advent of cloud computing, with the advent of AI and data science, the people have kind of started focusing on building those kind of solutions more now. And I also feel cybersecurity, which with so much digitization, cybersecurity is again one of the areas which is showing so much promise. Well, low code and no code do present an important business case for themselves. Like people who are not programmers, who are not from the coding background, can kind of now have a visual interface where they can drag and drop things and build a really powerful system. So all in all, I feel like these systems are going to stay, but like you can't customize them. They are again for building repeatable tasks. Okay, so customization is again a fairly difficult task while using a low code or a no code solution. So I feel they have a business use case and they will continue to improve. But when you need to build a really novel solution or a new thing, you will need to kind of code it from scratch. Well, mass layoffs are not a new thing, like it happened many times in the past, and it's going to happen. Like it's kind of a business cycle. In 2020 when the pandemic hit, it kind of had adverse impact on a lot of industries, and some of the companies where there was a lot of growth, people were hired at a very fast rate, and once the impact of pandemic weared off, like the growth was not sustainable, and the companies are more or less always focused towards their bottom line, so they kind of go about firing people. But I think in these challenging times, the only thing we as programmers can do is focus on our own upskilling, focus on building skills which makes us market ready, relevant to the market. I strongly recommend someone from a coding background to focus on things like data science, cloud computing, AI, and cybersecurity. These are kind of accelerating in terms of opportunities that people are having in them. A lot of gap is now building in, and if you are skilled, if you are doing a good job, believe me that the company is going to need you more than you need them. So just be strong, focus on upskilling, and Eduonix is always going to be there to help you out, and good luck. So anyone who wants to learn code and is thinking of building a career in building apps, so I'll suggest few things. See, like coding is more about problem solving, applying logics to business problems. Okay, so if you enjoy logical puzzles, you will feel right at home while coding and building apps. So I'll suggest you first ask this question to yourself: is it something that you enjoy? This is something that you want to do? And if the answer is yes, then the very first thing you can do is to kind of start building something, start getting those skills in place. Like if you want to be, say, a web developer, start learning HTML, start learning JavaScript. And then kind of take it up from there, learning to build apps, learning to build websites. Then you can kind of learn about cloud computing, backend programming. All of those things will come. But the first thing is, do you enjoy applying logic to business problems? Do you enjoy when the code runs and you successfully see the answer? Like if that excites you, then definitely coding is something that you will do wonders in. So good luck, guys, and I wish you the best.